3 ways to find out how to change anything. Number 1 is to read. Become a good reader. All of the successful people I know and work with around the world, they're good readers. Curiosity drives them to read. They got to know. They just read, 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 read. Become a good reader. One book might save you 5 years if you read it. Learn from the negative as well as the positive. 2. The second way is to listen. Get around successful people and listen. You can also learn from unsuccessful people and take notes on both negative and positive. On the negative, the notes are called what not to do, and you got to learn what not to do as well as what to do. So, learn from the negative as well as the positive. 3. The third way to find out how to change your life is to observe. You can pick up a lot of ideas just by watching. Get around successful people and watch. Success leaves clues. Watch how the man shakes hands. Watch how the lady responds. People who do well, do certain things over and over and over and over. And if you're clever, you can pick them up. Watch it all. If a guy's making $10,000 a month, watch how he walks. Maybe that's it. Copy his funny little walk. Somebody says, well, that's kind of a silly walk. Say, it's 10,000. I haven't got the money yet, but I got the walk. It's bound to start somewhere. Be a good observer of what's going on. You can pick up ideas that can change your life starting tomorrow. Just be a more careful observer. So, those are 3 simple things to change your life.